Back everyone. You may be having some issues with your TikTok account or your TikTok application, or for some reason you're missing features. Maybe there are camera features that you're missing, or there's, a new mode that you don't have anymore, or so many different things. Now, this can happen for a couple of different reasons. The most relevant problem that you're probably having, and the reason why this is happening, is mostly because you're on an outdated version of TikTok. So what does that mean? Well, whenever TikTok, most of the time TikTok has a new feature, a new update, all you have to do is update your application or make sure it's updated. That way you can verify whether it was actually a problem with that or was a problem with something else. So what you want to do is you want to make your way over to your App Store application. So go to Google Play Store if you're on Android, App Store if you're on iOS, and all you want to do is click the search button right here, and you want to type in TikTok. So type in TikTok just like this, nothing super crazy, type in TikTok, and then you want to click here, and you want to make sure that if there's an update button right here, if it says update, if it says whatever, if it says install, then you have to install the app. But you want to go ahead and click the update button there, and you should be good to go. You want to go ahead and wait until it updates, and then you want to make your way back to TikTok. It'll refresh the app, and quite possibly it may have already fixed the issue, and you should be good to go for the most part. So if everyone has this cool new feature and you don't have it, I would recommend going through, finding out how to do it, and you should have that capability by now. Now, for some reason you don't have that capability and it's not working or whatever, well, this is most probably due to one of two things. Either that feature isn't out in your country, or that feature just isn't out in general and maybe only beta testers have it. Those are usually the two reasons why you're not having a feature when somebody else does. So this happens with all applications, Instagram, Snapchat, every application is like this. Sometimes if it's a experimental feature, things like dark mode or anything like that, those things are experimental for a while, and slowly they start releasing those things out, and at some point you should be able to get it on your phone. So all you have to do is periodically close out of TikTok and go back into it and see if you actually have that feature. Sometimes you'd be surprised that you may actually end up having that feature already enabled, and you will probably end up being good for the most part. So that's probably what I would recommend doing. Those are the two main things. If you go through it and it's still like weeks and you still don't have those features, I'd recommend checking back into the App Store, seeing if there's another update for TikTok, installing it, and pretty much going from there. So that's pretty much it. That's how to do it. If you guys have any other questions or anything like that, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that'll mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.